Welcome everybody to a December 1st stream for gift. It's December. The year's almost done. This year's been wild and now we're into the last month of 2020. Who knows what will happen in this month? Should be a good one for trading and everything else though. It is coming into holiday season, so we'll probably see low volatility. But early December, with all the news and everything, we're definitely going to be able to see some sort of moves. So let's get started here. Give me 1 second. I'm just publishing live stream on the site. And we'll get into some analysis. I'm also going to be looking at Euro USD today as well as gold. My friends is in Euro USD. And I'm going to do a quick analysis on it. Give it to them. What I thought the price was going to do. So let's do this. Hold up though, I'm almost done here. All right, let's get started. All right, let me just check one thing here. I just want to check how these are moving. Damn, I hope this drops, to be honest. Make it cheaper for all of us. Euro USD. How's that month look? Okay, so Euro USD, November finished bullish. This weekly had a nice wick grab yesterday. It's been pushing up, kind of slowed down for now. Biggest thing, I think if it breaks above this area for Euro USD, so the 80s and then 120s, then it'll pop up easily. So if it breaks those two, it'll pop up. In my opinion, stops, you're going to be at like 119 or something. Kind of have those levels before it pops up. Honestly, that's a bullish trend. You told me to get in at like 40s. I said I wait, but either way, you're finishing above these candlesticks here. Yesterday, you kind of have a wick lower on the weekly. You have some liquidity grabs, so I think it'll push up on Euro USD eventually. But let's get started to gold. Now gold went up fucking huge overnight. Like wow, 75 to almost 350 pips, $35. But yeah, if you go to the 4 hour, it's just like a bullish move up, and now you've reached this prior. Yeah, I want to say this prior consolidation area before it dropped. So with it reaching there, honestly, there might not even be a trade today. The trade was like overnight. Time to popped off at 7 o'clock and didn't even look back. How many pips was that 7 o'clock candle? 40 pips. Yeah, it's going to be the thing during holiday season. It's probably going to be reduced to 20 pip targets for me. But we'll see about that. And right now, I honestly do not have a trade. The move already happened. I think it's just going to be about patience, playing price action and everything. Maybe get a trade on NASDAQ or some other currency and whatnot. But we'll see. Let's actually check out the indices and the world markets and all that good jazz. So markets are up based off points. Volatility index is low, but the markets are shooting up. Nikkei, Russell's going up. Nasdaq. I think there is some optimism in the market, and I guess optimism in the metals as well. It is the start of the new month, so you would see some moves like that. Some moves kind of going up. Fed Chair Powell testifies today, and there's ISM Manufacturing Index. So we do have some news today. Copper's up, lean hogs are up. It's interesting how it's working. Oil, I think oil is primed for a breakout, especially with Biden now being confirmed. To understand Trump's motive of staying in office, but it's all good. Got so lucky in my fantasy football match last night. Shout out to Donnie. That was rough, but shit happens. Fuck, if I entered a law, it would have to be a 5.5. It is gonna pop up though, that's the thing. Maybe in the last 30 minutes it'll pop up or down. We'll see how it goes. What's our line here? Oh yeah, that's where I thought it would go. Obviously it was wrong on that. I'll be right back. Well, damn, I'm happy I didn't in there that long. Might be tough to trade today, to be honest. So we'll take it easy. For the most part. Oh, man. Wait, let's check cryptos. Oh, it dropped. I thought it was going to hit 20K. I wonder if it did hit 20K. It is what it is. Thing with trading at this level is that this is clean here. So the move during like late London session, that was the move. But now when you look at it right here, it's in this consolidation zone. And I mean, this consolidation zone is pretty big. Happened for 2 days last week. And it's basically all this before it dropped, right? So now you're going back into this high traffic area. And there's gonna be a lot of orders, so it's gonna be tough to actually get a good direction, clean direction too. So have to require some waiting. Check the 15-minute close, actually. Close red. Honestly, I don't see a trade right now. I might trade Euro USD. Might as well. Where is it? Right here. Yeah, if this starts breaking out, I might even like enter on it. I'm gonna actually put this back on this watch list for now. There we go. How many pips would that be? What? I'm gonna enter now. It's prime for a breakout. So I'm in at 70. Might as well try it out. Stops below the candle here, so 10 pip stop for about a 10 pip gain. 10 for 10, classic Euro USD. That looks nice for a breakout. Yeah, this bull move up, move down, support created, and then a push up. Should be a nice, clean move upwards. We got a dual screen going right now. Let's go back to single screen. Feel pretty good on this trade. It's 5 pips away from the take profit. I mean, why not, right? Trade's turning out pretty good so far. Nice little pump up on Euro USD. Well, that entry point though. Stop could be a little bit tighter. Excuse me, but it's a pretty good entry and area. Ooh, damn, that's a nice pump. It's almost there. One more pip. And then that's basically the first trade of the day. Done. I don't know why that's at 81. I'll move this to 80 actually. 80 gives everybody a better indication where the take profit is, so it's closest to that area. Probably get there if it's not now, next 30 minutes. Yeah, probably next 30 minute, you're probably gonna see it hit into that area. So we'll see how it goes. Let's peep my baby girl gold real quick. Yeah, I mean, standard. There's just a lot of traffic to the left. That's why it's tough to take a long on gold there. What? I exited. It was 0.5 pips away. Stops break even. That was a quick 10 pips. Damn, that thing pumped up past it, eh? Probably gonna see a break. Honestly, this should pump up even more. It's looking like that right now. 30-minute closed. 30-minute close pretty bullish, I think. Yeah, closed very bullish. I feel like if it breaks above 120, yeah, it's clear to like 121. Gotta break above the wicks right here. Damn, you're watching right now, eh? Since you're watching, you see these wicks here? BK right here and right here. I feel like if it breaks above those two wicks, then it'll pop up. Right now, there's like a little bit of resistance. And it's probably the key area over here. So like 120.11, the top of this wick, and then the top of this wick was like 120.05 or some shit. So if it breaks above those two, I think you're clear for that swing trade. I just did a day trade. I thought it was a nice little long from this candlestick, so that's all I needed. Because when you look at the month finish bullish, weekly finish pretty bullish too. I like how last week finished with this green candlestick above like all these levels. So with that, I think 121 will get hit probably end of this week or something. Because right now it's looking pretty good. And the only issue I have is if it breaks below here, I feel like that would indicate a reversal down. I don't think it will. I think it's looking good for the upside. So position should be fine on it to 121. I'm gonna go back to gold. I'm gonna leave my runner here. It's at 1.1970. I'll have the price over here looking at it. If anything goes above, I'll look at it. But if it goes back to 1.1970, that's where my break even is. And now I'm looking at gold. Honestly, I might try a long on gold because I did secure profits on Euro USD. Maybe for like 20 pips or something. So when you go to the hour, it's still in a bullish trend going up. It's going parabolic on the bullish side. So slowing down. You're not getting these big candlestick moves, rather these smaller ones. And in reality, yeah, you got a higher wick here, a higher wick here. Damn, I think I missed a long. Long would have been on this candlestick at 6:30. I'll wait though. I feel like it's at the top of its move. Let's go to daily. Yeah, now if you go to the daily, you look at it right here. I think the reason gold was popping up is because the US Senate was going to agree onto another stimulus package for America, and that usually indicates the Fed starts to buy more gold reserves. I feel like with this move down, gold's at a good price for smart money and the Fed to buy it. And with the stimulus package being approved, or most likely going to be approved later this week or month, that's going to pump the price of gold up. Started a new month too. It's probably grabbing liquidity for the upper wick on the monthly candle. It's a weekly look. Weekly found some support. Daily found some support. Just tough to enter on this area for the long. This looks good though. This was a good trade. Shout out to BK for getting me back on Euro USD. That was a quick, easy trade on it. What was that? How many minutes? 15 minutes? Not bad. USD CAD's kind of choppy at the moment. Do feel like its long-term direction is down with the US dollar going down, but as of right now, it's kind of choppy to trade. Same with pound CAD. I'll take that out. That's just been disgusting. Pound USD ain't bad. It's a lot of heavy resistance area though. Then pound Jap. Choppy. I think Euro USD was the only clean move upwards. Where's the DAX at? Dixie. This is a US dollar index. I look at this for general direction of the US dollar. That usually helps with certain moves for any pairs that have USD in them. Like when this goes down, Euro USD goes up, and when this goes down, USD CAD goes down with it. And if you look at the weekly here, if you flip it the other way, kind of looks like Euro USD on the weekly on the bullish side. Does look nice sell though. Some good bearish pressure on it. But Fed Chair Powell's testifying later today at 8 a.m. with the ISM manufacturing index too. Yeah, with the ISM manufacturing index at 8 a.m. That'll probably move the market. Right here for gold, I don't think I'm gonna do anything, to be honest. It's so tempting to get on the long, but like, what is the top of the range there? I don't know. It would have been a nice 20 pip trade. I think 20 pips was the target there after, and I think I'm gonna have to incorporate that into my strategy and everything. Instead of going for 40 pips at the end of a move, maybe go for like 20 pips, leave a runner, and yeah, you never know. Euro's still good. I'm still 8 pips in profit on my runner there. Stops at break even. Yeah, the heavy resistance area on gold. That's a thing. The high traffic over here. That's what's slowing it down from its London move. I mean, the move at 530 was nice. If I was on, that would have been the 50 pip move right there. Yeah, about 50 pips. That would have been the 40 pip move. That's usually my take profit point on gold, but I'm gonna adjust it when the volume starts slowing in a couple weeks. So it's December 1st right now. I think, yeah, the week of December 21st. That's gonna be very low volume. I think that week it'll be like 20 pips or even most of the 14th and the 28th. Yeah, seems like it'll be quite slow down there, but see how that goes. Last 15 minutes of the hour, but we can see this consolidation here. That whole daily traffic area that we reached, that's really causing an issue with the price of gold moving upwards, unfortunately. But I think we caught Euro USD, right? That was a nice move, trade on it. I think we'll be able to catch one or two on NASDAQ. And then, yeah, probably one move on NASDAQ, and then I think that'll be it for the day. Unless gold starts to do some wild shit, like go down or I don't know. I trust the up move if it was like high volume and um, catalyst for it. So it's gonna be nice seeing the close over here, seeing how it ends up. Nice little push up though. What up, throwbacks? Been a while, hey? Like a week. How you been, man? Your job has been slammed. Folks are quitting. People are quitting? Damn, why are people quitting? They just don't want to do that job no more, or what? How is it in Atlanta at the moment? Then you had a losing weekend. What happened on the weekend? Sorry, excuse me. They gone to Amazon for more money in HR. Yeah, it makes sense. Amazon's just fucking balling out of control. They probably benefits, all other stuff. Amazon's probably nice. Like is normal. Gambling on Tron, then you lost 2 trades trying to long Tron. Let me check out Tron. Like you went to Tron Casino and you were playing on Tron Casino and then you tried to long Tron the coin. Damn, interesting. Well, that is normal. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Tron. Yeah, I feel like you gotta be more patient. Um, the coin ain't looking so good to me. Hold on, let me just pull it up here. No cap, yeah, fuck real. TRX, USD, that's Tron, right? Pretty sure. Damn, gold's popping right now. Anyways, Tron. That looks way too choppy, man. I don't know how to do analysis on that. I feel like that's just like pure price movement, price action on Tron. The cleaner charts, I think, or if you want to trade cryptos at the moment, are like Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that. Tron, it's just like choppy. I'm not a really big believer in these altcoins, but it's what it is. I think if you do want to trade those big ones are probably the best. Yeah, Tron is a long-term hodl. Yeah, that's why you tell. That's how we progress. Gotta have a mentor. Yeah. No, keep telling me all that stuff. I think it's good for both of us to look at it, check it out, and everything too, right? So, like even Bitcoin, we called that way back before it started to pop. But even now, like after this down move up, that would have been a nice trade to hold it and trade it. I feel like Bitcoin you could trade. It has cleaner moves. It has cleaner moves. Sorry, excuse me. Every time I guess you're awake. yeah, in the evening or in the mornings or whenever, you could actually like put this on your watch list, and every time you see like these big candlesticks move, then that's when you start buying or selling Bitcoin. But as for Tron, it's like compare this Bitcoin chart to like the Tron chart, for example. It's just choppy, and then you have like this big ass move down right now. Not a lot of volume on it. Bitcoin is nice. Ethereum, I haven't checked Ethereum in a while. Now, man, thank you for tuning in and keeping me company every morning. Shit gets boring here sometimes, but it is what it is. Yeah, even Ethereum. Ethereum has some nice moves, like this move down at 7 o'clock on last week. Days that I think that's a Tuesday. But yeah, I know it's clean. Oh no, that was Wednesday. 25th is a Wednesday. Yeah. But you see these clean moves happen all the time. Yeah, 2 o'clock. So those are clean. Tron is kind of choppy and dirty. This is fine though. I caught this trade earlier. Now we just wait on gold. Is that 40 pips? Yeah, it is 40 pips on gold near the end of the hour. Guess it did move. Missed it. Can't catch them all. Still didn't trust it. Heavy traffic to the left, so it wasn't even trustworthy. No, I'm not in gold. I was in Euro USD, and hit my profit, and I have a runner going on it. I missed gold though, so like this trade here, I have this trade right now. I have a runner, kind of covering everything right now. As for gold, I didn't enter. I didn't. There was a lot of traffic to the left. It was moving pretty slow, but it pumped up near the end of the hour, which it usually does. That's one thing I've noticed lately. So keep that in mind. With December coming and holiday season, if I don't really trust it, I won't be entering. Like this gold trade, I didn't really trust it, so I didn't enter. But that euro trade, I trusted more, so I entered that, even though it was like 10 pips. It was still a good move, right? So kind of, I'll be trading like that over the next month. Hmm. I think it's reach resistance. I'm not gonna short gold or anything. I think it's just about watching it. And yeah, I'm on my phone just scrolling through everything, watching it on my screen, so I'm not tempted to trade. Scrolling through Instagram. Might see this pop, might not see it pop. I think I'll add the Euro USD trade to the blog, though I won't add it to Instagram, add to the blog. I'll go off the 15-minute. That's what I was looking at. Whoops. There we go. Currently, I'm holding a runner, and that's it. So, don't have anything else on Euro USD. That there. Whoops. I think that's good right here. Save that. How's your weekend throwbacks? Did you have a good one? It's Thanksgiving weekend too. So, get anything on Black Friday or Cyber Monday or anything? Bomb ass food. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's the standard. Thanksgiving in America, good food. Bam. Mama made it. That's good too. Was it like turkey, stuffing, all that good stuff? Then you cop some PS4 games like Tony Hawk, Last of Us 2. Yeah, normal. Hot sauce, yeah, you need to spice it up. I like the hot sauce add-on in there. Cop some PS4 games like Tony Hawk, Last of Us 2. Oh shit, Last of Us 2. I heard that was good. I played Last of Us 1. I never played Last of Us 2 though. But yeah, no, that would be a pretty fun one to play for sure. The thing with those types of games, they require so much time, and I'm like, fuck, do I have that time to spend right now, or is it like just something else like back testing, etc., reading, all that other stuff? I used to love gaming. If you ask like anyone, even ask Chan when he comes on, I'm a true gamer, but fuck. Black and age. Oh damn, yeah, that is a that is a feast there, man. Just don't gain weight. Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you're not gaining weight and eating feasts like that, that's pretty solid. That is that is actually pretty the way to do it. I wish I could eat as much as I want without gaining weight. That'd be pretty nice. PS5 next year. Yeah, yo, I do the same thing as you. I usually let like the first gen go through because there's always issues with the first gen PS5s. By the time like Black Friday or Boxing Day rolls around next year, it's the second gen's usually better, and it's gonna be cheaper on those days. So yeah, no, do it. Definitely do it next year. Probably go on like Black Friday or something, right? Oh, they don't have a big library yet? Yeah, no, not yet for those games. It's basically just COD, right? Seems like that's the only thing going on there right now. I mean, Warzone was fun as fuck. Don't get me wrong. That shit was addicting. I played too much of that, but yeah, gets repetitive. BRs get repetitive. This is why I didn't trust gold up here. That nice little rejection. Kind of happy I didn't trade it. Obviously, there was a move that happened, but you know, shit happens, right? So, it's what it is. Can't catch them all. It's always gonna come down to the next move and what you can do to plan for the next one. My holidays, it was good, man. It was chilling. Thursday, went out to a nice restaurant. We're having like a modified restrictions lockdown here, so me and the girl went out to a nice restaurant on Thursday. Friday, just chilled in. Saturday, I watched the Mike Tyson fight. That's sick. Met that guy. That guy is actually pretty dope. Cool person for sure. Yeah, I chilled out. Did you watch the Mike Tyson fight? That was actually pretty entertaining. Not gonna lie, he still got it. Like holy fuck, he's coming at Roy Jones hard in that fight. But that Nate Robinson fight, that wasn't a good look for Nate. Felt bad for the dude. That was entertaining, but like, damn, man, I don't know if he trained, but that's not how you box at all. that he was just going after him like head open out in space. Jake Paul was actually training too, so that's why I like kind of knew Jake Paul would win that fight, but it was kind of rough for Nate. It is what it is, man. But the Tyson fight, that's what I wanted to watch mostly. That was a good one. I really enjoyed that one. How's Euro doing? Euro still good? Yeah, Euro still good. Probably just hold that runner to be honest. Either it's break even or it makes me profits, right? Either way, it's a good trade. It was a good fight, man. I mean, it was entertaining. That's what matters. Entertainment. It kind of delivered, if you want to say it. So, but watch it for free, yeah, man. Well, I mean, with the internet nowadays, you can watch anything for free. Just go on any streaming site, go to Reddit. Everything's available there. Not bad at all. Yeah, he was a meme. Felt bad for the dude. It is what it is. Get knocked out. Yeah, that's what happens when you get into the ring. Anytime, anything could happen.
Morning.
Yo, how you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Good, man. I'm good. Guess what I traded today, man? It's still on the watch list.
Gold or euro?
Good old Euro USD.
How was that?
It was good. It was pretty simple. I'll go 15 minutes. I still have a runner, so I'm just chilling. Like it made that
Alright.
support right here, and then
Yeah.
yeah, I just bought it. I was like, that looks nice. Bought it. Stopped like right here. What was that like 6 pips or some shit?
Nice.
I put stop at 60 though, but yeah, no, and then it was like a 15-minute trade quickly. Plus gold, I didn't
Nice.
really trust it. It was at this huge ass zone right now on the daily, and then it popped off like last 15 minutes on the hour.
Yeah.
But other than that, like from 6 till then, it was like rejecting that area, so I didn't really trust it at all, and I didn't enter it. It was nice though.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Yeah, I think it's at the top of its risk range. And like, dude, like the gold miners went up quite a bit. So
Gold is at the top of its risk range.
yeah, it is.
What's the risk range?
1834. Okay, we'll move
34.
on top.
That's still like 20 pips away.
Yeah,
Good.
1834. But GDX is close to the top of the risk range. So
Did they long it after, or were they still like shorting it?
short on the rips, I guess.
Short on all the rips?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Because they're just, I mean, though, like gold's just one portion
Yeah,
of
of
the
course.
portfolio. So they just, they just keep adding.
I know they're well diversified. I know that part.
Yeah. So
Throughout the whole thing.
oh man.
How's that exam? Was it wilding? So no one showed up for it?
No, I don't know what happened, but yeah, the lady's like, I've never seen this happen before.
I think people were
Like,
just worried because of COVID or something, man.
my speculation is that if you're not ready,
Yeah.
then you just might as well say you're sick because it's free to rewrite.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, there's no fee because they don't want you to be sick and go show up at the exam.
Yeah, that
So
makes
if
sense.
you weren't ready and stuff, and you don't want to pay a rewrite test, and you have a feeling that you're gonna fail, then like if I were them, I would have just said I was sick.
Yeah, that's smart. I think you're right about that. I think people definitely did it. Not probably, definitely did that.
Yeah, but I thought I was ready, so I was just like, I'll write it. It was good though because that means there's less people.
Yeah, it was better for people writing in the exam, spread out a little bit more.
Yeah, but I mean, they were really good. They're really spread out.
Oh, that's good.
Like 6 feet, like yeah. So I mean, I had no complaints on that side, but
that's good.
Yeah.
Think you did pretty well.
We'll see. We'll see. I hope I did well.
I mean, what is it? Marks usually come out the same week for CSC, anyways.
I think so. Yeah. 60. Yeah. Frick it. Sorry, I'm just thinking what I should do with GDX. Double or just 60. Weekly.
I feel like the start of the new month is why this gold move happened upwards. It was just like, guess new month, gotta grab liquidity, do all that other good stuff too.
Yeah.
Makes the most sense why it went up and why gold miners went up.
I'm thinking so too. Well, I will trust them. They were right about gold and stuff, and like.
Yeah, they were. It's a good call by them.
I'm just thinking where my stop would be. Like, what price is too much for me? You know what I mean?
Yeah, what can you afford to risk?
Yeah,
Basically.
exactly. Well, I'll play it day by day then.
But yeah, you're on every day. You could watch it every day. See how it's moving.
Yeah, I'm on every day, so
You can
if
control
it goes
it.
up a little too much, then I'm just probably gonna take or sell. I'll take profits. I wish there was profits to be taken. But yeah, it jumped up a buck. Gold miners. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I'm like, how did my orders get hit? I'm not, the market's not even open. But I think Questra just lowered those orders from what I did yesterday. Weekly. You know what? I think I'm gonna have a tight stop on it.
On GDX?
Yeah, like,
Fair enough.
you see the daily, if you look at the daily, the November 20th candlestick, I'm gonna put that stop right above there. So like 36.54.
36.54. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one. I feel like with this breakdown, you might get like a retest. Yeah. And if it does go above there, then it'll probably just go back to the range. I think that's a good stop. $2 approximately for sure. Yeah, right. That's a good one.
Well, I think for that, I just wanted to cover kind of like because I'm doubling down the shares right now as soon as market opens.
Yeah.
So that's like what, 80 cents?
What price is it at now? It didn't show pre-market price.
35.58.
Okay,
35.83.
yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah, 80
35.83.
cents.
So I'll be risking 70. Yeah. So I'll short that market.
It's not a. That's a pretty good plan.
Yeah. And then I'll still have the other half just for some exposure. Boom. Yes, that's it.
You got it.
No, I mean, yeah, but everything else went up quite a bit.
Oh, nice. Yeah, market open.
Yeah. It's down. QS. Oh, whatever. EWJ, nice.
So the portfolio opened up pretty nicely this morning.
Yeah, it did.
Nice.
And yesterday was the biggest, like, I guess you could say whirlwind type of deal. But yeah, it was nice. Because we had, Sama, that shot up 20%, but now I guess it's only up 11% on good news. So that was good. Yeah.
Throwback says, "What's up?"
What up? What up? Yeah. The only thing is corn. Corn's been shit, but it is what it is.
They trade everything. That's tight.
LTR. But yeah, yesterday's swing was huge, man. Like MP, nice. That's up too.
Swing? Like, you mean
like I was down like 6 bills.
And then everything shot up near the end of the day.
Shot back up. And it was kind of nice because we were shorting it going down, but it was just, yeah. MP, that's nice. I should get her. I'm not liking TNA for some reason.
Do they have TNA on the watch list? Is that they were long Russell?
Well, they talk about Russell.
Yeah, they've been long Russell.
So yeah. And I'm kind of happy because I finally got the data package for her. So
oh yeah,
like the for Equestrian. What
the
hell is wrong with this? Why is it so slow?
So it's a lot faster for her. You should.
Yeah.
What about the logging on to her account?
What do you mean?
Do you still need her verification or ID or whatever? Or
No, that's just the one time.
Oh, just the one time.
This is a 2-step process.
I was gonna say just make the number to your account probably be faster. I mean, it works.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oh, there it goes. She have 5 red. GDX.
Damn, Nasdaq dropped. Fuck, I should have had that short. Still getting used to it though.
It's all good. Yeah.
What I was looking for is if it broke above like this high, that would have been just easy longs, but I forgot there's a short side too. Breaks above that area. Easy shorts.
Yeah.
Can't catch them all.
I know. You can't. There's just too much shit going on.
Yeah, exactly. Nas is a market in whole. Yeah, that's a Nasdaq 100. It's an index. It's a future chart of it. So it's basically spot, but it's an index. Follows the 100 tech stocks. Is that right?
Tech and pharmaceuticals.
Tech and pharmaceuticals. Yeah. So it moves pretty nice. I moved onto Nasdaq when the market opens because it has clean moves. Even yesterday too on that short, that was a pretty clean move that happened. At 8 o'clock, just ended up pumping downwards pretty hard, and then it just recovered for the rest of the day. So we usually see that type of stuff happen. Some FX pairs have been kind of choppy, like USD CAD and Pound CAD. When I looked at it this morning, it was pretty trash. I kind of moved away from those, and then Euro USD still actually had those nice moves this morning and clean moves. I guess it's just you got to catch it at the right moment in time now. What?
Is this how? I'm just looking at Nasdaq. I'm seeing how it closed.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Because if this flips bullish, it's going up for today. That's a huge wick.
I gotta agree. I feel like it will, especially if it breaks the 12,400 area. But yeah, get on the wick, hold a runner kind of thing. We'll see how it closes. But if it finishes bearish, you could see the same thing as yesterday, just consistent bear and then just move up for the rest of the day. I can see that mirror kind of what it did yesterday too. Throwbacks, birthdays in 13 days. Nice. Nice.
Nice.
December 14th, eh?
How old are you turning?
Yeah, how old you turning? $33. Not bad. Still young, man. Still young. What day is the 14th? That is Monday. Oh, we'll be on stream for your birthday, eh? Nice. Gonna cop property for next year, yeah. I think that's a good idea to cop property. Real estate's the way to go. Get some rentals, get some other even land, etc. Houses.
Wait, Moderna Mania? That sounds like the stock went up quite a bit. Let's see.
Yeah, didn't there vaccine?
Oh wow, they're $170. Jeez.
Yeah, their vaccine was doing good or something. I think
It's all gap ups too, really.
yeah, tough to trade it, but apparently their vaccine was like 94% effective now.
Holy smokes.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Wow. Pharmaceutical companies, yo.
Pharma's where it's at.
Oh, that is a mania. Well, then again, anything that's with stocks is kind of a mania at this point. But damn, 60 bones. Holy smokes, that's a crazy rip. Kind of hope for a sell-off right now. Jeez.
On Moderna?
No, on Nasdaq.
Yeah, that finished so nice though. On the 15 anyways, but fuck. You're right. If it does start going up, I think just buy and hold at this point. Well, there's news at 8 o'clock. I have pals testifying at 8 o'clock in ISM manufacturing.
Whatever.
Pals always testifying, man.
Yeah, like it's you know, the most important thing is Yellen's. Oh damn, Sama, man, jeez, should have taken profits yesterday. Oh well.
What happened with it?
It's only up 7%. It was up like 20% yesterday, which was nice, but I guess buy and hold spec company. But yeah, I should have sold some on the hype. But like all those specs have like they've kept going, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It is what it is. Damn, it's ripping, eh? There we go. Oh.
Damn. Nasdaq, what are you gonna do?
Interesting. Well, yeah, I mean, like, it's funny. I sold all my positions and stuff, but I only skimmed half for the girls' account. So I'm just thinking.
Same strat?
Sorry, what?
It was like half the positions for your girls' account. What do you mean?
No, sorry. We had the same positions, but I just
Oh,
sold all mine, and then I was about to sell hers, but then the market was going up. I'm like, I'll just hold it now.
just
Like,
make more
whatever.
on her account than you.
Yeah. No, she actually gets the best price points because like some things I don't want to do is like first I can't short her in TMSA, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Second of all, I can't yeah, I like some things I invest in, sometimes I think it's a little risky, so I just don't do it for hers. But then when it's like when I'm kind of down a bit on that, then I'm like, okay, maybe I'll just invest for her. And then she gets a better price, like honest.
Damn, man, that's
If two
dope.
positions, I'm down, she's up.
I mean, that's all good. It's basically going to
That's
the
the
same
ultimate
thing.
sacrifice.
Yeah, that is a sacrifice. But at the end of the day, it's probably going to the same thing. Right?
Yeah. Oh, Pioneer. Damn. Buy options too, man. Jeez. PLTR. Hmm. Yeah, that was nice. Probably a push up higher. $10, $20, $30. Damn, I think I missed it while I was doing my positioning. God dang it. Yeah, it's a flip hole-ish now.
What? Nasdaq?
Yeah, I think so. Because I was like looking at the 10 minutes, I was like, oh, it's getting close. TNA. Oh, I saw TNA.
I
Let's see
mean,
if I can.
yeah, even if you entered here, the stop would be 37.
Oh, 20 minutes. Yeah, well, I mean, I guess entering on triple Q is like somewhat the same, but yeah, that was nice. Oh man.
I got a position right now. I got it at 76
Nice.
on the flip up.
Like just now?
Yeah, on a Black Bull, it's
Yeah.
76, and then the stop is below the 15-minute, which is about 60. So I'm just trying it out.
Yeah. The 10 was nice.
Yeah, well, like all time, there's 15-minute supports holding.
Oh,
Like
sorry, I
even
was looking at the 5 minute, not the 10.
oh,
Jesus. The 5 minute was like
yeah,
the
that
wood.
5-minute bull run up is nice too. I think the best
Yeah,
entry.
65-ish. It was so
Yeah,
close. You were gonna risk 2 pips, honestly. 3 pips
I think
max.
that area was probably the best, but
Yeah. That was real good. I just
I don't know how
that's
to
when I
put it in
entered
here.
triple Q again, but yeah, that's it.
Well, I think just with this momentum and considering the supports holding on the 15-minute, I think it'll pop up.
I think it's gonna keep pushing up.
Yeah,
I don't
so
know.
I mean, just chill, let it do its thing. Fuck, that was a tongue
Yeah.
twister. Yeah, that pumped up nice.
Yeah.
You're right though. I think on the 5 minute when I'm looking at it, well, I'm Black Bull anyways, but let's go here. Kind of like
Yeah, I just saw it
this
too, and
area.
that's why I entered T triple Q. But like,
Yeah.
yeah, hindsight should have entered like QQQ and went on like a fat position. Well, I mean, not fat, but you know what I mean, like.
Well, even when these 5 minutes were reversing, it's all good. Now, if it breaks that resistance, it'll probably just shoot up fast.
Yeah, I did nice. That would have been like what, a 12-cent risk, maybe 15 cents. Could have gone 400 shares. 400 shares now. At least you're up what, 36 cents. Like break even the trade, you're done for the day. Screw it.
Wow, screw it. Just
I'm done. I'm sick and tired of this.
Just retire right now.
I wish, bud. I wish the account was fat enough to retire. I don't know, man. Retire would be so boring.
Yeah, I don't think I thought about it. I think I'm gonna retire, man.
Yeah,
I'd love like depends what I'm doing. If I do what I love doing, like this stuff and other business ventures, and there's no way in hell I'll probably retire. Work till I drop.
Might as well. You have to keep your brain active somehow.
Yeah, that's a big thing too. I think keeping the brain active is key in life.
Damn, BlackBerry went up.
BlackBerry?
Yeah.
Is that on their list?
No, I'm just looking at Finviz right now. It went up 37%.
Oh,
it's
damn.
crazy.
Like, damn, those guys are looking at BlackBerry now too.
I just can't hope gold drops.
It looks like it. Well, I told you that zone on gold. Whoops, wrong one. That daily zone on gold right here. It's not. I don't think it'll break above today. And honestly, it might break tomorrow, man. But we'll see. If it respects this zone and drops, that'd be the ideal situation for GDX and anything gold related at that point.
The 10-minute, no, 10-minute, 30-minute closes, which is nice. 20-minute close too, which I guess is nice too. I wonder what the fee is to short gold. Okay, 1 share of gold shorted. Okay, good. It's free too. Hmm. Yeah, okay. So instead of showing GDX, I just close that position. I'm gonna move actually to gold now.
Like GLD.
Yeah. Because I just looked at it, it's also free to short,
Oh,
which
yeah.
I like.
No commission, no nothing. Oh, damn, NASDAQ.
Ooh.
Hey, it's a good hold. I'm gonna hold it. Hodl. Oh, wait, the news came out. Fuck, it's 8 o'clock.
Well, I mean, he still needs to talk.
True. Well, I mean, that's probably ISM non-manufacturing index, but it's nothing compared to what Powell can say or do.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that off. And then where we at the risk range here? Gold's at 1811. Gold, GLD. $18.34. Okay. You know what? I'll go 4 more shares. Oops, wrong thing. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, I might as well reduce some risk. So covered my GDX and then just went. Because the one thing I have trouble with, I think, is that if equity markets are going up so high, it's shorting the miners, which is equity, but their reserves are gold. I think that there's going to be like someone like from my idea, my short idea, there's going to be like a tracking error of some sort. You know what I'm trying to say?
Tracking error? Like,
yeah.
What do you mean?
Because right now, okay, so if instead of shorting GDX, if I was shorting gold, gold's been down more than GDX has been. Because if you look at the chart, GDX has basically stayed flat at 34.
Yeah, that's true. That's it flat.
But gold has been continuously dropping. So I think I would have had, I think from a risk management perspective and like kind of like just a good trade, a more like a profitable trade, it would have been gold instead of GDX.
Yeah, I think so. I think the miners, they move. Well, even when I was talking to Dylan, by the way, back, it's kind of weird how they move in comparison to gold. It's kind of different, but yeah, I think that's
because
a better
they
idea.
have that equity component.
Yeah,
now
they
the
do.
Stock market was going down and we were in a quad 4. Yeah, I still actually went. I think from a quad 4 to a quad 1, mining the gold miners maybe. I mean, buying the gold miners might be the best. But yeah, I don't know. Gold, love gold. Okay, I'm just chilling now. I'm so happy, man. Like, I'm glad I got the girls account. Like, what is it? What much is she up? 17 per? No, 8%.
Damn, that's pretty fat on her
overall.
account.
Yeah.
Wait, how much percent? 18%?
No, 8%. I wish 18%. It's like, damn.
Nah, it's still pretty good.
Sorry, 7%. I lied.
Still pretty good, man.
Did you break even your trade?
Yeah, I took profits on one. And I got break even on the runner right now.
Nice. Did you get half position?
Like a quarter. I'm still testing it. I don't know.
Nice.
Like I'm still obviously just want to play around with it.
Yeah. How much did QQQ go up? God dang.
What about you? Did you get out or what's your
I just bought
situation?
triple Q. I didn't even buy QQQ. I wish I did because that would have been a nice. That was a nice.
It was a good
trade.
rip that I had, but fuck.
Beneficence.
Beneficence, the doing of good, act of goodness or kindness.
Nice.
My general misery was alleviated by what felt like a measure of Victorian beneficence.
Beneficence.
I had the run. Okay, beneficence. Okay. Interesting.
Good word.
Good word. Good word, especially right after American Thanksgiving.
Just be
Gotta
thankful.
give back to the community, yo. Yo. That was a beaut.
On NASDAQ?
Yeah, that was a beaut.
Yeah, that was a nice little rip up. That huge rejection was like the biggest indicator. It's like big ass wick and then pump up.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. Keep it simple like that.
Boom. Oh.
Yeah, we're both in the Nasdaq throwbacks. Left. Post another story. I pumped up fat. Is he talking like
Yeah.
right now? It's still. Thanks, throwbacks. Thanks. He said congrats to both of us.
Thanks. Going, gone. First 5-minute red candlestick. Interesting.
On Nasdaq?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With a body actually this time. Well, I don't know. That can change in 10 seconds, but just saying. Interesting.
Now it seems like it'll stay red. I mean, it's breaking out though. It's 15-minute. It looks nice, so it looks good for pretty much a little bit. Just hodl, man. Hodl for life.
Yeah, man. I'm not down with the hodl life.
You're not down with the hodl life?
No.
Well, technically, if you did hodl NASDAQ from March, you'd be pretty good.
Yeah. Well, I didn't long shit.
Yeah, I didn't long shit either, unfortunately. But now we know for next crash that happens. And it'll happen.
Just gotta listen to the quads, yo.
Yeah, listen to the quads and
This is Penny. Oh, IIPR. Damn it. Ooh, 10-minute. What you gonna do? 15.
it's pumping for sure. Like, damn.
Yep. I love it.
Is there any resistance for it?
No, we're at all time.
Yeah, it's all-time highs right now. No point really.
Actually, maybe September. Like September. Yeah, September 2nd all-time high was 12,467.8.
Yeah, I'll probably break that, I think, this month.
Yeah, I
Trump's
think so,
gonna
too.
go out on a high note. It's gonna pump up that market. Just watch. The best ever NFP numbers are gonna come out.
You see the guy, he's just gonna freaking try to break the economy before he leaves. So he says it's like a big FU to Biden.
Yeah, that could happen too, actually. Dude still doesn't believe he lost. I don't get it. I just don't know what
It's all
his
good.
train of thought is sometimes. It's interesting.
40. Yeah.
Think I'm gonna get out, end it in a bit here. Kind of slowed down its momentum.
Yeah.
It's not really pumping or anything. Just chilling. But it usually does that like the last 8 minutes of the 30-minute, or even the last fucking, what was I gonna say? 10 minutes of the hour or something. But fuck it.
Yeah, it looks like it's hitting something.
Yeah, some sort of traffic
Invisible
area.
force.
The invisible hand right
I
there.
can't see.
Invisible hand, man.
Yeah.
Fucking killing the momentum.
Damn, gold's dropping quite a bit.
Gold's dropping, yeah. That was it hit that daily resistance area though. That was gonna
Yeah.
happen on that drop. What was that 15 down to 05? Yeah, that would have been a nice play. I thought should pay more attention to it. I think I called it when I got on too. I'm like around this area, there would be some sort of resistance because of the daily traffic area. Oh fuck, why does it
Yeah.
keep doing that? But yeah, this daily right here when it bounced around last week. There was no catalyst to push it higher, but fucking, I stopped paying attention to gold again. Classic.
It's all good.
It's a nice drop though. Good like 60 pips or something.
Yeah. Oh damn. But you're out though?
What? Nasdaq? Yeah, I think I might get out in a bit. I just want to wait 5 more minutes, see how it closes.
Fifteen's flipped.
Yeah, the 15.
20's still good.
I think most time frames are showing the bearish signs.
Well, 20 minutes, you still got 13 minutes before it closes.
But you look at the 5 and then the 10 and the 15. That's all like bearish. But I think it's just like retest and then I think it'll push up for the rest of the day. But yeah, I got out. It's pretty much 400.
Nice.
And then not really. That was like $30, 30 pips on the runner. Could add more. It's all good.
Well, it's a runner,
Profit's
right?
profit. Yeah, I mean, at least the runner didn't go to break even. I could look at it that way.
Yeah,
Instead, I
exactly.
got the runner out before break even. What about you? What are you gonna do with it?
Well, I'm kind of swing trading it, so I only have half a position on triple Q, so it's all good for me.
Yeah, then you're fine.
I mean, this isn't really, yeah.
The only reason I did
This is an
is 'cause-
intraday move,
yeah,
if anything.
the only reason I got out. Intraday move. Time to go enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream.
Okay, it sounds good.
Thanks, Throwbacks, coming back. Missed you, bud. It was good having you here in the morning.
Welcome back, throwbacks. Hopefully, work gets a little bit more chill soon.
Tune in more often, but there's some couple good trades. Gold, I'm gonna have to pay more attention to over the time, but it's all good. Actually, I haven't even looked at Euro. Let me check it out. My
There's too
runner.
much shit to look at, honestly.
Yeah, my runner is doing pretty nice, so I'll leave.
Oh wow, nice.
So I'll leave my Euro going. Gold.
That's 40 pip runner.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out half, but click that.
Nice.
Perfect. And now I got half a runner running. Gonna have it go for a couple weeks here.
Well, I mean, if it keeps going your way, why not?
It's
US dollar is
man.
weak.
US dollar is weak as fuck, so it's clear to go up. But yeah, and that we'll see everybody tomorrow.
Yep.
Thanks
Sounds
for
good.
tuning
See
in.
everyone.